Presenting the 2005 Lincoln Town Car. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: 4-wheel disc brakes, AC, ABS, adjustable pedals, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, automatic headlights, child safety locks and climate control. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.